The world of an accountant, the life of an accountant is very, very busy in an up market and a down market. It's just a different type of busy depending on what's going on. I'd recommend a career in practice to a graduate. It's a terrific start in a graduate's life. It's 3.5 year qualification that carries you to any destination in the world. It's an international qualification. You don't box yourself away into one category or another because you get to work with a wide range of clients across any amount of industries. Anything from healthcare to financial services to communication to manufacturing. They're the clients you'll be working with. You also get an opportunity to go out to meet people, to work on their premises, to understand what happens behind the product that they're producing, to understand the decisions that are being made and to help with those decisions, to understand what inefficiencies are there and what compliances need to be adhered to. You get to see all of that behind the scenes. So it's a fantastic career. You build a wealth of knowledge. If you get tired of it after a few years when you're qualified, you get to branch out into industry yourself, and you've already built that knowledge of what that industry is like because you've worked behind the scenes.
If you're looking to get a broad range of experience across a range of industries in a short period of time, I would probably recommend someone to work in a medium-sized firm. The reason being, if you have your busy period from January to May, and audits are generally of a smaller size for medium-sized clients, you'll quickly build up your experience in a range of industries.
At KPMG, we expect our good graduates to come through to manager grade within 5 years. So it takes 3 or 3.5 years to qualify as a chartered accountant, depending on your business background. From there, you'll be a qualified senior, you'll be managing teams of people. So you'll have the people management activity going on in your career. You'll have life skills and life coaching training going on continuously in KPMG. We expect you to progress to a manager, so 5 years in KPMG should equal manager for the right people. From there, I guess people can make a choice to continue with professional practice. They can make a choice to travel the world with a global qualification. So I guess it's a great start to a career. It gives people choice, and you know, expecting choice in any job is fantastic, and getting it is fantastic.
You build on your skill set each year throughout your training contract. So if your training contract, for example, is 3 or 3.5 years, from a trainee year 1, you'll probably be focusing on doing things like accounts preparation and the kind of more basic side of an audit, like the planning. As you move out up through your 3 years, you'll move from accounts preparation to actually being a senior on an audit, which means you will have responsibility. You will probably be the direct contact with the client on site. And by the time you qualify, you'll be expected to apply all of your technical skill set to the audit and actually manage people at the same time.
We would probably take about 40 to 45% of our people with masters, and we sponsor people to do the masters. So at entry level, when we interview people, we'll ask them are they interested in doing a masters. If they are, great, we'll sponsor them to do the MAC. If they change their mind, we'll take them in direct. So we give people the option, but we like people to come through with both qualifications. I guess it helps us and it helps them because they don't have to do all the exams when they come through to us, and we don't have all the people off studying at the same time, so there's a win-win for both of us. The beauty of working with a large accountancy firm is that you get to travel the world with them if you wish. In terms of, we have offices in 144 locations around the world, so you have that opportunity to travel as far as Singapore, to Japan, to anywhere in Europe, America, wherever it is, takes your fancy. And the other thing is, our clients are probably bigger than a lot of the small firms, so you have the opportunity to travel with clients. So you go to their offices to carry out audit and tax and advisory work there, and I suppose that's very, very appealing as well.